What if I told you that you're just 15 minutes away from the best workout of your life? No gym, no equipment, no excuses. Just you, this mat, and 15 minutes. This exact workout helped me drop 15 pounds in 6 weeks, and it's helped over 50,000 people transform their bodies. The best part? You can literally do this anywhere. But here's the catch. You need to give me 100% for the next 15 minutes. Can you do that? Then grab some water, clear some space, and let's burn some serious fat together. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Before we start, quick favor. Hit that subscribe button if you want more efficient workouts like this. 95% of you aren't subscribed yet, and it helps me create more free content for you. Alright, welcome. I'm your name, and if this is your first time here, this channel is all about helping busy people get fit without complicated routines or expensive equipment. Here's why this 15-minute workout is so effective. It's based on 3 core principles that science has proven time and time again. Principle number 1, high-intensity intervals. We're using HIIT, short bursts of intense work followed by brief rest. Studies show this burns 25 to 30% more calories than steady cardio, plus your body keeps burning calories for up to 24 hours after we're done. It's called the afterburn effect. Principle number 2, compound movements. Every exercise today works multiple muscle groups at once. That means maximum calorie burn while building real-world strength. Principle number 3, progressive intensity. We warm up properly, build through 3 circuits, then cool down. This prevents injury and maximizes results. Now, real talk, this isn't magic. You can't out-train a bad diet. This works best with proper nutrition and consistency. I've linked my nutrition guide in the description. But if you show up and do this 3 to 4 times a week, you will see results. I promise you that. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're ready to sweat. And if you've done this workout before, let me know how you felt afterward. Okay, let's get our bodies ready. Never skip the warm-up. This prevents injury and gets your muscles firing. We're spending 90 seconds getting loose. March in place. Bring those knees up. Wake up your legs. Get your heart rate rising. You should still be able to talk comfortably. Arm circles. Big circles forward, now backward. Open up those shoulders. Hip circles. Hands on hips. Big circles. This is your powerhouse. Torso twists. Side to side. Controlled. Feel that core warming up. Leg swings. Front to back. Hold something if you need balance. Beautiful. Jumping jacks. Light and controlled. Land softly. If jumping bothers your joints, step side to side instead. Good. Shake it out. Roll your shoulders. You should feel warm, loose, and ready. Grab water if you need it. We're about to start. Here we go. Circuit 1 focuses on your lower body, your biggest muscle groups, which means maximum calorie burn. First up, squat jumps. Feet shoulder width apart. Drop into a squat. Chest up, weight in your heels, then explode up. Land soft, and go again. This hits your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and your heart rate. If you need to modify, do regular squats. Still effective. 15 seconds in, you've got this. Halfway, chest up, knees strong. Final 15, push through. 3, 2, 1, done. Breathe, shake it out. 15 seconds rest. Next, alternating lunges. Step forward, drop the back knee, push through the front heel, and switch. Front knee behind the toes, drop straight down. 20 seconds in, looking good. Halfway, breathe. Final push. 3, 2, 1, rest. Final exercise of Circuit 1, skater hops. Jump side to side, landing on one leg like speed skating. Push off, land soft, control it. Modify by stepping side to side if needed. 30 seconds down, feel that burn. Final 10, everything you've got. And done. Circuit 1 complete. Grab water, shake it out. You should be breathing hard. That's perfect. That's fat burning mode. If you're still with me, drop a flex emoji in the comments. Circuit 2 is all about the core. Strong core means better posture, less back pain, and visible abs when the fat comes off. Starting with mountain climbers, plank position, hands under shoulders, drive those knees fast. Keep your hips down, straight line from head to heels. Halfway, breathe. Final 10, rest. Next, plank to down dog. Plank, push hips back, then return. Controlled movement. Find your rhythm, don't hold your breath. Final 10, and done. Last one, bicycle crunches. Opposite elbow to opposite knee, rotate from the core. Slow and controlled, quality reps. Final 10, and breathe. 2 circuits down, you're over halfway. That burning sensation, that's progress happening. 1 more circuit, don't quit now. If you're still here, comment no quit. Final circuit, upper body and cardio. Let's finish strong. Push up to T rotation. Push up, rotate, reach, switch sides. Modify on your knees if needed. Control the movement. Final 15, rest. Burpees, down, up, jump, full body power. Modify by stepping back and skipping the jump. Halfway, keep moving. Final 10, done. Last exercise, high knees, run in place, knees high, fast feet. This is it, leave everything here. Final 10, push, and stop. You did it, you completed a full body fat burning workout. Let's cool down, walk it out, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Reach up, stretch, fold forward, breathe. Quad stretch, hold, switch. Hamstrings, hinge forward. Shoulders across the body. Chest opener, child's pose. Just breathe. Let's talk about what comes next. You burned around 200 to 300 calories, but more importantly, you triggered the afterburn effect. Your body will keep burning calories for up to 24 hours. One workout won't transform you, but one workout repeated consistently will. Do this 3 to 4 times a week for the first 2 weeks, then 4 times a week, then level up if you're ready. Remember, you can't out-train a bad diet. Focus on whole foods, protein, vegetables, hydration, and consistency. Rest days matter. Track your progress, photos, energy, sleep, not just the scale. Before you go, do 4 things for me. Subscribe to the channel, save this workout, comment below, did you finish, what was hardest, and what are your goals? And share this with someone who needs it. I'm proud of you, you showed up. Your future self will thank you for this. You're not competing with anyone else, only who you were yesterday.